Have you ever stopped to wonder why the moon appears different each night? Why does it sometimes look like a thin crescent, other times a half circle, and at times a full round disk? This is all about the phases of the moon, a fascinating celestial phenomenon. Contrary to what some might think, the moon doesn't change its shape or size. It's our perspective that shifts, based on the moon's position relative to the Earth and Sun. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's dive deeper into the science behind these changing moon phases. The moon doesn't have its own light, it reflects sunlight. But we don't always see the whole moon illuminated. Why is that? Well, to understand this, you need to know a bit about the moon's journey around the Earth. The moon orbits the Earth approximately once every 28 days. As it does this, the moon, Earth, and Sun align in different ways. This alignment affects how much of the moon we can see illuminated from our position on Earth, giving us the different phases of the moon. The new moon phase is when the moon is between the Earth and the Sun. It's illuminated on the side facing away from us. So, from our perspective, the moon is not visible. As the moon continues its orbit, we start to see a sliver of light on the right side of the moon. This is called the waxing crescent phase. Then, we reach the first quarter phase, where half of the moon appears illuminated. As the moon keeps moving, we see more than half of it lit. This is the waxing gibbous phase. When the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun, we see the entire face of the moon. This is the full moon phase. Then, as the moon continues its orbit, we start to see less of the moon illuminated. These are the waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent phases. That's the fascinating journey of the moon's phases, a beautiful cosmic dance that we get to witness every month. So, now you know why the moon takes on different appearances throughout the month. It's all about its position relative to the Earth and the Sun. As it orbits our planet, we see different amounts of the moon's sunlit surface, which results in its various phases. From the new moon, when it's positioned between the Earth and the Sun, to the full moon, when Earth is in between, each phase is a snapshot of the moon's journey around us. And let's not forget the first and third quarters, where we see half the moon's surface illuminated, known as half moons. Next time you look at the moon, remember it's not changing, but it's our perspective of it that is. And that's the beauty of our universe, always providing a different view, a different perspective. Until next time, keep looking up,